Meaning of dermatologist.
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 Dermatologist. A dermatologist is a medical professional who specializes in treating conditions related to the skin, hair, and nails. They are trained to diagnose and treat a wide range of skin conditions, including acne, eczema, psoriasis, and skin cancer. In addition, they also perform cosmetic procedures such as Botox injections, laser treatments, and chemical peels. Dermatologists use their expertise to develop personalized treatment plans for their patients, which may include topical medications, oral medications, or surgical procedures. They play an important role in maintaining the health and appearance of our largest organ, the skin.